Hello viewers, in this video we are going to solve one important question of class 10 from real numbers, and that is prove that root 5 is irrational. Prove that root 2 is irrational and prove that root 3 is irrational. It is already solved in our previous videos. Link is shared in the description box. So in this video we are going to solve how to prove that root 5 is irrational. Our question is prove that root 5 is irrational. Here we are going to use contradiction method. Contradiction method means what we have to prove it is irrational. We will assume that it is rational. Okay. So here let root 5 be a rational number. Now, if root 5 is a rational number, how we express rational numbers? In the form of P upon Q. So, if root 5 is a rational number, then root 5 is expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are co-prime. Co-prime means they don't have any common factor among them. We cannot divide P and Q by any other factor other than 1. 1 is common factor of all the numbers. So here, now root 5 is expressed in the form of P upon Q. So we get root 5 into Q is equal to P. We will square on both sides. Square on both sides. Now when we square on both sides, we get root 5 square is 5. 5 Q square is equal to P square. 5 into something, we get P square. Means what? 5 divides P square. 5 divides P square. And if 5 divides P square, therefore 5 also divides P. Okay. Now if 5 divides P, means if P is divided by 5, we get one quotient. Let us assume that it is C. So when we divide this P by 5, we get C. Fine. Now P divided by 5 is C. This means P is equal to 5C. Okay. P is equal to 5C. Now here what we have, 5Q square is equal to P square. 5Q square is equal to P square, and now our P is 5C square. We will square this. So we get 5Q square is 25C square. We will divide both the sides by 5. Here divide both sides by 5. So we get Q square is equal to 5C square. Means 5C square is equal to Q square. Means what we can say now, 5 into C square, we get Q square. Means 5 divides Q square. Now if 5 divides Q square, 5 also divides Q. Oh, what did we get here? Here we get 5 divides P. Here we get 5 divides Q. Means 5 is dividing P as well as Q. Means after solving, we come to one conclusion that 5 is the common factor for P as well as Q. But what did we assume here? That P and Q are co-prime. But we got that 5 is one more factor for P and Q. Means this is contradicting our assumption. This contradicts our assumption. So here 5 divides P as well as Q, but this contradicts our assumption. What did we assume? We assumed that root 5 is rational, and this is wrong. So if root 5 is rational, if it is wrong, then root 5 is irrational. So this is how we have to prove that root 5 is irrational. So steps are similar for root 2, root 3, root 5. If you watch all the 3 videos properly, you will find that the steps are similar. And these are most important question, root 2, root 5 or root 3. One question is surely asked in your board exam. So to get the updates of such useful and important videos, what you have to do? Yes, you have to subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. And don't forget to share such videos among your friends. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.